Hello guys, welcome to machine learning fourth lecture. In the last slide, in the last lecture, uh, we have gone through the implementation of text mining in Python, and we discussed feature engineering on text, especially in the context of text mining. We have introduced what is the bag of words, and we discussed term frequency TF. Excuse me. And what is the why we use TF? And then we came across that whether the count of words is sufficient to understand the semantics of a model. Obviously not. Then we have um, we have gone through with another way, under techniques that is known as TF IDF, which gives weight to words, and that technique associated weightage to the words in the context. Today we are going to implement a model in Python. So the focus of this lecture is that how we can program in Python, especially in the Anaconda environment, how to fetch the data set already available, structured data sets, and then not structured, but we can say benchmark data set that is available on the different websites. Mostly people extract the data from Kaggle, but there are other repository available on the internet as well. So in the today lecture, we will exercises the models. We extract the data set, and then we apply the models, and we will apply our knowledge, whatever we have gained in previous three lectures, and we will refer those terms in this experiment. So let's assume that a hobby botanist is interested in distinguishing what the species is of some iris flowers that she found. Means there is a type of flower, iris, and the iris flower has three different types. And that can be distinguished by the size of petal and sepal. So by looking at petal and sepal sizes, we can find out that which iris flower is this. So the basic theme is this. So she collected some measurements associated with the iris, and those measurements relate to the length and width of the petals and the length and width of the sepal. She also has measurement of some irises that have been previously identified by an expert botanist as belonging to the species Setosa versicolor or virginica. So we have already some data that been collected by some experts, and they divided and classify it as a Setosa versicolor or virginica. So there are three types. Now our lovely botanist lady collected some iris flowers, and now she want to know that to which class these iris flowers belong to. So our goal is to build a machine learning model that can learn from the measurements of the three of these irises whose species is known, so that we can predict the species for a new irises. So did you get it? That what are we doing? We have some unknown iris flowers, and we have some known measurements of irises. We will train our model on the known data, and then we will give the new input, and the model will classify to which it belongs to.